Hello my girlies, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Riley. Today, I know it has been a while. Okay, it's been a while since I've continued my Five Nights at Freddy's makeup looks. Okay, but today I'm here to deliver the final character for Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I want to say that next weekend I want to go off into doing Five Nights at Freddy's 3, which I'm only going to do one character from Five Nights at Freddy's 3, which I'm sure you guys all know who it's going to be. But if you don't, you're going to have to wait and find out. So yes, today is the last day for Five Nights at Freddy's 2 characters, and my last character is Mangle, okay? And today I have here a makeup look that I'm so excited to get into because obviously you guys know me, I love pink, okay? But today is hopefully gonna be a good day because I have a fit for you guys, okay? So that's gonna be the highlight of this in case the makeup kind of doesn't turn out right. I haven't hated a makeup look that I've done, especially like the Five Nights at Freddy's ones. Like I've actually seemed to have really liked every single Five Nights at Freddy's look that I've done. So I have hope that this will turn out cute, especially because it's pink. Pink is like my color, you guys. Like, hello. So yeah, let's get started. For this look, I am going to be using my pink palette, which you guys have seen in my videos before, because this one obviously has, the cutest pink. 9 is really cute, Alien Girl. I'm not going to be using Believe nor Leo shimmer, which is, I know, crazy because you girls know me, I love my shimmer. But today I am going to be using this new product that I got from Kimchi, which is basically like liquid shadow. I've never used this before, but I am so excited to get into it because it's pink, it's glittery, and I love it. Okay, my girly, so obviously we're gonna start off with primering up our eyes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start in with the lightest pink color that I have on my pink palette. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a couple of this right on my eyelid, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the darker pink. Instead of going over my entire eyelid, I decided to just outline my eyelid, as you can see. So I'm not necessarily going right on the light pink that I just did. I'm actually just kind of outlining it just like so. This new beautiful product that I'm putting on is called Liquid Shadow, and this is by Kimchi Chic from the Queen herself. This is also one of my new favorite products. This is a Hello Kitty like blush stick, and it is so beautiful. Look how pretty it makes my cheeks look, but also look how fast my hand is going. Oh my god. But like, seriously, look how cute this is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyeliner, and then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my mascara. But first, I forgot I wanted to do like a little silver right at the edge of my eyes. So as you guys can see, that is what I'm doing. And now I can go ahead and finish the eyeliner. This is a new trick that I'm doing for my lips. Basically, I put like a light shade of either foundation or sometimes I'll even use concealer, and I do this basically so that when I use whatever lipstick color, it stands out a lot more. For today's look, I am going to be using just red, so it wasn't necessarily necessary, but I just got in the habit of using it, so you know, this is still a really cute look in my opinion. Last but not least, I'm going to touch up with some of the same silver on my nose, just like so. Okay, y'all, the look is done. Okay, as you guys can see, I used my new products. Okay, I did use the new liquid shadow on my eyes. As you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see it well enough. It looks really glittery in person. So, you know, it does look really cute in my opinion. I did a little touch up with silver like on my nose, my rosy pink cheeks that she does have. Okay, and I almost went with a pink lipstick, but then I realized Mango has red lips, so I was like, have to use red lipstick, of course. Now as for the fit, y'all, I'm gonna just insert a clip here of you guys seeing the entire fit so that way you guys, you know, can just see that clearly without me having to stand up or anything like that. But yeah, guys, that is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, then please make sure to leave me a like. Please make sure to subscribe. And also really quick, I do want to give a huge thank you to everyone who has checked out my book. You guys, my book is available on Wattpad. Okay, my very first story that I've ever written, literally my entire life. It is now out on Wattpad. Okay, it's kind of a short story, if you will. Like, I'm pretty sure you can finish it in like an hour or so. So, you know, please check it out, guys. Link is in the description, of course. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.